Ay, nako. Ngayong winter time, ang hirap maghanap ng recipe. Kaya tonight, I'm going to do a dinengdeng, which is labong and saluyot and fresh from Apari, Cagayan, Philippines, aramang. This is a seasonal small strips that coming from the upstream that would go through the sea, pero kinukuha na nila sa Apari. Yan. So madali lang. Lagyan lang ng alamang, and then kamatis, and then sibuyas, and then patis. Pag kumulo, the first thing that you have to do is put the labong. Yan lang. Yan. Lagyan mo na yung labong. Or bamboo shoot. They call it a bamboo shoot. Okay? And then, after the bamboo shoot, dahil winter time, so everything is frozen. So this is a frozen bamboo shoot. I mean, bamboo shoot and jute leaves, or sa Ilocano, ang tawag dito, saluyot. Yan. It's jute leaves. So lagyan na natin to. Then pakuluan. And then pag nakumulo na, ready na kainin. Okay?